Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shakelia LeBlanc, aka the Loan Slayer and Certified Veteran Lending Specialist. Today, I'm talking about how you can use your VA loan to purchase investment property. So grab a pen and a notepad and let's get ready to say hello to your new home. VA loans are fantastic for helping active duty and veterans purchase their primary residence. But how exactly can you use your VA loan for investment property? Well, the answer is a bit nuanced, but there are definitely some creative strategies to use your VA entitlement to build wealth through real estate. Now, keep in mind, and I'll say this throughout the video, the purpose of the loan has to be for your primary residence. The purpose of the loan has to be for your primary residence. So let's talk about the first strategy, house hacking. And I know you've heard it before. House hacking is a great strategy, especially for first-time investors. But did you know that you can use your VA loan to do the exact same thing? VA loans can be used to buy up to 4 units. So you can buy a duplex, a triplex, a quadplex using your same entitlement. The key is you have to live in one of the units. The rental income can offset your mortgage payment and potentially leave you with a positive cash flow. This allows you to house hack your way into home ownership while simultaneously building an investment portfolio. But you must live in one of the units. The second strategy is maximizing your VA entitlement. So if you are already a homeowner and you've used your VA loan, you can use it again and possibly again as long as you have some entitlement left over. Get with a mortgage broker and we can calculate that for you and show you how much you can still qualify for without putting any money down. And if you reach that point where you need to put money down, it may be a lot less than what you think, and you can still save by using your VA loan. So once you fulfilled your occupancy requirement for your current home, you can purchase another property using your VA loan. So your new property would become your primary residence, and the property that you're leaving would then be your dedicated investment property that you could use for rental or even Airbnb, whatever you choose. Okay, so I've just shared with you 2 strategies on how to purchase with your VA loan. Let me share a few reasons why and the benefits of using your VA loan. Number 1, you don't have to put any money down. You can finance 100% of the purchase price. This frees up capital for you to do other investments or to do repairs on the home. Number 2, you're going to get the best rates. So using your VA loan, you're going to get a more competitive rate than you would if you were to purchase an investment property through a conventional loan, through a DSCR loan, or through like a fix and flip type of loan. Number 3, and I've said this earlier in the video, but you're building wealth through real estate. You have the potential to purchase multi-unit property and use the income to help offset your mortgage. That's amazing. It's awesome, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. Now, I'm going to say this again, and I think that this can't be oversaid. Using your VA loan hinges upon you moving into the home. The purpose of it still has to be for you to occupy the residence. So yes, there's potential for you to use this to buy investment property, but the purpose still has to be for you to live in the unit. So if it's 1 unit home, you have to live there, and when you other than having roommates, when you move out, you can purchase another home and then use that property as your investment property, or you can buy a multi-unit home and have other people live in the units, but you need to live in one of the units. If any of this gets confusing, please feel free to reach out to a VA specialist like myself so that we can guide you through this and help you and share information with you. Every single situation is unique. So definitely reach out if you have questions or if you need someone to help you navigate through the process. If this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions or any comments about what I've shared. See you next time.